Yeah, now it's recording.
Recording?
Yeah.
Okay. This is fucking cat experiment. Cats should like water. I don't understand why they act all high sedity. This cat was outside. Hey, motherfucker. Watch, motherfucker. Watch.
Go back.
Okay? They should be licking themselves and then they want to cough hairballs all around. They should like water. Dogs like water. They should wash their ass, not be licking themselves. That's so disgusting. And people say, oh, cats so good. No. They're going to like water. This cat's going to learn to like water. So. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, I got it. That just starts ripping.
Now it's starting to get used to it. Look.
Yeah.
Ain't got no choice. Ain't got no choice, see? Ain't got no choice.
But it doesn't like that bathroom. That bathtub.
Yeah, no, the bathroom.
Liz hugging.
Right there.
Yeah. I know. That shit's funny. No, I'm just gonna leave it alone.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, it's a
If you
spirit.
come back out, bitch.